Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'm the Bay East Foundation President for 2019, and this is Brandy. She is one of our wonderful trustees. If you haven't seen too much about the foundation, we wanted to give you a little bit of information and encourage you to get to know us a little bit better. The foundation is comprised of 3 arms. First being the community outreach. So we have community assistance where we will make donations to different charities such as Agape Villages, Meals on Wheels. We also have a second arm, which is the Members Helping Members, that provides assistance to our members that are going through a challenging or a traumatic situation. Please reach out to us if you have questions. We do want to encourage everyone to know that that is there for you. The third arm that we have is the college scholarships. We reach out every year to the different schools in the East Bay, and we encourage all of those students to apply for a college scholarship. This year had 195 applicants, and we were able to award 16 scholarships, and it was just an amazing time. We're always looking to continue to strengthen our reach to the community and to impact as many lives as possible.
My name is Maral Famara. I just graduated from Foothill High School and I'll be attending UC Irvine this fall studying electrical engineering. And this scholarship means a lot to me because college has become such a financial hardship, and this really means a lot to take some of that burden off of my family.
So as a trustee, I get to sit in on the board meetings and I get to help plan and organize all of our special events to help fundraise for the foundation. We would love if you are interested to come join us. Please contact Jessica at the information below and let us know what you're interested in and how you can be a volunteer or actually become a trustee.